Everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann Wallace and I'm a real estate content creator and real estate agent in Jamaica. Today we're continuing with our series, What Can a Certain Amount of Money Get You for a Certain Property? But today we're going to be looking at rentals. So I'm going to be showing you what $90,000 could have gotten you in Kingston, Jamaica. Again, remember to subscribe to the channel, and for all real estate and interior decor consultations, email me at courtneyannbusiness@gmail.com. Now let's jump straight into the property. So when we go through the door, it's an open concept space with living room and kitchen space. I would even go as far as to see dining area as well. Now the tiling is quite unique in the middle, as you see there, which I really liked, and the stairs led upstairs, which we will view at a later date. But first, let's take a closer look at the living room slash kitchen area. So we have here what seems to be pine colored cabinets or pine wood cabinets. Please correct me if I'm saying this wrong in the comment section below. And also what appears to be granite countertops, right? So you can see here that some semi-modern renovations were done. So they're not entirely outdated. But for me, I prefer dark cabinets. Let me know what you prefer in the comment section below. But you can see that this was a recently done reno job. Even like the cabinet handles and stuff, very recent. And here's our friend Mona that is in our Otrios Country Club series, assisting me again with my videos. Hi, Mona. So we're looking at the cabinet storage. There was a lot of storage here. And then we're going to head upstairs where we're going to view 2 bedrooms. Yes, this was a 2-bedroom property for $90,000. Can you believe it? There's also a secret surprise in one of the bedrooms, and I'm going to see if you guys figure it out. So this was bedroom number 1. Do you see the secret surprise? I saw the secret surprise. So bedroom number 1 has an air conditioning unit in it, and also large windows with natural light and ventilation. For me, I'm an AC girl, always been an AC girl because, man, Jamaica is hot. Now, this was the bathroom space. It's going to be like a shower enclosement, so you need a shower curtain. And then the toilet is right there, and then your sink and mirror is right there. Now, transitioning from the bedroom, bathroom, and then the second bedroom, this is going to be bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, unfortunately, does not have that secret surprise like bedroom number 1, but you get an overhead fan. So give thanks, give thanks. Now, this was the closet space in bedroom number 2. I think both rooms had adequate closet space, in my opinion, with overhead storage and also a mirror if you want to see yourself, a full-length mirror. And it was very spacious. It could have held maybe a bed and a dresser and possibly a fan, right? And then that particular window was also very, very cool when I was there. There was a lot of breeze coming in. This is how the closet looks when I opened it up. So, you can fit your suitcases up there. And then I think this was the closet space for the other bedroom, which was the one with our special surprise. Hi, AC. And as you can see, both rooms have adequate storage. I mean, this was a really cute rental. I'm not surprised it was not on the market very long. And if you're watching this and you're looking to move, or you have a property and you're thinking about putting it on the market to get a tenant, go ahead and call me. I mean, at the moment, there's not a lot of rentals on the market, so we would really love to list your property. There are hundreds of tenants seeking rentals right now. So if you have a property that's not being used and you feel like you want to get some extra income, call me at 465-8811. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Go ahead and like this video. I'm trying to get this video to at least 100 likes. Comment below what you think about the rental. Is it worth $90,000? And remember, you can email me at courtneyannbusiness@gmail.com. You can screenshot the specs in the next clip, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.